Here's how you can add a clock widget in Windows 10. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can exactly add a clock widget in your Windows 10 PC. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, you simply need to go to a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this video. You can use any other web browser as well, but I use Google Chrome all the time. But yeah, you simply need to go to Google Chrome. And yeah, here, as you can see, once you're in the new tab, you simply need to search up rain meter. First of all, just type in rain meter. And once you search it up, it'll bring you right over here. And once you click on the link, it'll just simply bring you right over here. So now you simply need to download rain meter. First of all, it's a tool which lets you customize. So I'm just going to press download. And yeah, here we go. It's downloaded. I'm just going to press on installer and OK. And yeah, standard installation and OK, and then install. So we're just gonna install, and yeah, here we go, run rain meter. And yeah, now we got rain meter, but it has some sort of and these skins on it already. So now what I'm gonna do is just unload them for now because I don't need them. You can just unload them. And now we need the clock widget skin for it. So you can basically search up any type of skin, but I've already searched up a skin. It's called elegant clock. But if you can find it, but just search it up, elegant clock, and type rain meter in front of it so Google gets the best of it. Just basically tap on that and it should bring you over here. Now you should go down and find the option of download. You just simply need to download it, and here you go. Once you download it up, just simply press on this arrow icon right over here and you'll see the option of rain meter. Or if not, you can just basically search it up right over here. I don't have Cortana enabled, but if you have, you'll see the option recently added as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press on this. And yeah, it might take some time to load up. You simply need to wait, and here we go. Now you simply need to find where did you download your file. So we just go ahead and find my file right over here and add folder. And let me just quickly see where it went. And it's in downloads. Yeah, here we go. Elegant clock. And just press install. Once it's installed, you simply need to go back. And here, as you can see, it's installed. Now you can choose whatever you want to load. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use light clock and press load. And here, as you can see, I have the light one right over here. And yeah, this is simply it. And if you want to change it to dark one, you can just simply press load and it's just gonna go for dark. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can add clock widget on Windows PC. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.